So today we're going to look at capitalization, capitalization and ending punctuation, and types of sentences. And all of this is on page 7 of our English notes. So 5th grade English notes. Open this up to slide 7. You can pause the video until you have it out and ready. We already did the top of this page about writing complete sentences. Now we're going to focus on the bottom. All right, let's start with capitalization rules. 4 rules for capitalization. All sentences, so you should be writing this down, all sentences begin with a capital letter. So every single sentence, that first word starts with a capital letter, always. When you're texting me, when you're sending Mrs. Lopez a private message, when you are emailing your parents, when you're writing a paper, anything, every sentence starts with a capital letter. Rule number 2. Proper nouns start with a capital letter. So not all nouns, but proper nouns do start with a capital letter. So a proper noun would be the name of a person, a place, or a thing. It could be the name of a country. Those are all proper nouns. So Mrs. Lopez, both the M and the L would be capitalized because it's a proper noun. The letter I is always a capital letter. When you are saying I did something, then you need to use a capital letter. So and then titles use capital letters. So titles use a capital, all sentences begin with a capital, proper nouns begin with a capital letter, and the letter I is always a capital. I should see no lowercase i's, like I did it, I should have a capital I at the beginning. Or just a capital I no matter where it fits in the sentence. So then, looking again at correcting this sentence, so looking at capitalization and needing end punctuation, this sentence should have the Pine Barrens. So the Pine Barrens should be capital. Pine Barrens should be a capital because it is the proper noun of a place. The Pine Barrens cover the plain in New Jersey. The plain is just, it's a place in New Jersey, but it's not a proper noun. Pine Barrens is proper noun. Cover the plain in New Jersey, and New Jersey is the name of a state. States are capitalized, so New Jersey would be capitalized. And this is just a statement, so it gets a period at the end. Make sure you have that corrected sentence written down. And then the 4 types of sentences. We have a declarative. That's a statement. There are 4 sentence types. That's just a statement, nothing exciting. At the end of that, it gets a period. Then we have imperative. This is a command. It's telling someone to do something. You will use end punctuation after each sentence. So that's a command, but it doesn't necessarily need to have an exclamation. Now, let's say someone's running across the street and there's a car coming. You might yell, "Stop!" That would have an exclamation point, even though it's an imperative command. This, you will use end punctuation after each sentence. That's a period. I'm telling you what to do, but it's not exciting. So we just get a period at the end. Then we have exclamatory sentences, and you need an exclamation. It means we're excited about something. Wow, that is so much better. We'll take a exclamation point after that, wow, but then that is so much better. We can have a period right there. The wow, it becomes its own sentence. It gets an exclamation point. And really, I'm going to take away some of those spaces there. I know you can't on your paper, but wow, that is so much better. Exclamation point goes here after the wow, period here. And then interrogative, a question. Don't you agree? Questions get question marks. So that's all that you needed for the bottom, was just we have a period, another period, an exclamation point and a period, and then our question gets a question mark.